Sub-assembly, assembling. Starter clutch. Ensure the parts are clean before assembling. Inspect the roller for wear or damage. Inspect the spring cap and spring for damage. Inspect the starter clutch outer on roller seat area. Now lubricate and install the spring cap and roller on the starter clutch outer as shown. Place the end plate on the starter clutch outer. Now seat the flywheel, aligning the holes with the starter clutch. Apply thread locking agent TB1322 on the socket bolts threads and install the bolts. Now, by holding the flywheel with the magnet holder clamp type, install and tighten to the specified torque. The socket bolt torque value is 3.1 kg-meter. Inspect the bearing surface of starter-driven gear for wear or damage. Now finally, install the starter-driven gear in the flywheel by rotating it in anti-clockwise direction. Manually rotate the starter-driven gear to check the operation. It should rotate in one direction, but lock firmly in the opposite direction.